Well, it is good to be home. I send you greetings from Reverend Lily Brock and from the congregation of Metropolitan Community Church of Greater St. Louis, as I was with them, it seems like a month ago now. And I also send you greetings from some of the members of Life Journey Church from Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm just so glad to be home. As I was flying home late last evening, I looked out the airplane window and there was some thunder and some lightning off in the distance. And it just really reminded me of the blessings that God gives to us when we just stop what we're doing and actually look around us.
Yes.
And be in that moment. And if we're vulnerable enough to look off in the distance and see that flashing light, God can really use that to give us what we need in that very moment.
Pray for blessings, we pray for peace, comfort for family, protection while we sleep. We pray for healing, for prosperity. We pray for your mighty hand to ease our suffering, and all the while you hear each spoken need. Yet love us way too much to give us lesser things. And what if your blessings come through raindrops? What if your healing comes through tears? And what if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're near? And what if trials of this life are your mercies in disguise? Plea, and long that we'd have faith to believe. 'Cause what if your blessings come through raindrops? What if your healing comes through tears? And what if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're near? And what if of this life are your mercies in disguise? When friends betray us, when trouble seems to win, we know that pain reminds this heart that this is not our home. And what if your blessings come through raindrops? What if your healing comes through tears? And what if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're near? What if my greatest desire satisfied? And what if trials of this life, the rain, the storms, the hardest nights, are your mercies in disguise?